Okay guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about the voice commands that can be used when you're inside a BMW. Now this is going to be using on the BMW iDrive 8 system. So this is the new system that's out. So if you have this curved display screen iDrive 8, this is going to be applicable for you. Now there is a button right here on the microphone. You can click and then it will do several commands for you. So you click, it starts listening. You can say, navigate me to McDonald's. There we go, and it searches up through all of these different McDonald's, and you can select them and you can see where they are on the map and everything like that. And the voice command can be used for a lot of different things. Now, I want to go into the menu here and show you all of the adjustments that you can do on the voice command. So you come into the menu, go into system settings, go into voice control. Now you can come into personal assistant, and you can also activate it with a wake word. So you can just say, hello BMW, find me a McDonald's.
One moment, I am looking for destinations.
And there we go. It searched and found us the McDonald's again. So you can do that with several things. You can do that with, say, hey, BMW, open my window, or I'm cold, or turn on my heated seat, turn on my heated steering wheel. You can do it for all of those different commands. You can also set a personal wake word. Now, it's not letting me do it right now because you do have to map the vehicle to your name, engage the connected drive for it. You can have online speech processing. You can have the visualizations for it. You can change these too. You can have the response length standard. You can have it or short. So a lot of adjustability that you can do with the voice commands. Also these ones as well. Once you have mapped the vehicle, you have options for these. Additional speech assistance for Amazon, Alexa, or Siri. If you long press on this button, you will then go into either Siri or the Google Assistant, depending on what you want to use, depending on the phone that's set up. And you can go into more information, and you can even get a little bit more out of the voice controls. So if you go to Owner's Manual, and you go into keyword search, you just search voice. You can go into all of these operations via voice. You can go into the principal, general information, just so much more information that you can get into. So if you really want to dive in there you go. But I basically showed you that either you click this button on the steering wheel or you say, hello BMW, and you can use that for navigation, or you can say, hello BMW, roll down my window. And there we go, the driver's window opens up. Hello BMW, I'm cold. So there we go, just raise the temperature. So anytime you need to do anything, all you have to do is activate that wake word like I showed you how to do, or hit the microphone button and ask it to do anything for you. Navigate, find something, temperature, windows, anything like that. Hope you guys found this video very useful. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.